Hey everybody, this is Dean and welcome to Dino's Tech World. Today I thought I'd show you how to install NetTools in WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's actually pretty easy, and if you try to run a network Linux command like Ifconfig, it will actually give you the command to it. So it's pretty easy to remember since you can do that. So the command is actually sudo apt install and then NetTools, and then just hit enter. It's going to ask you for your password, and then it will install it just like that. So now if we run ifconfig, which is the equivalent to ipconfig in Windows, it will give us information on that. And we can also go ifconfig -- and it will give us the switches and such. So that's how you install NetTools in WSL for Windows. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.